निर्यात वाडोवपा खातीर केंद्र सरकारान चालीक लायिल्ल्या येवजणेचा निधीचो गोंय सरकारान गैरवापर केलाच, मात ह्या पयशांचो घोटाळो लेगीत जाला असो आरोप तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी टॉर्शन टिमेलो हांणी केला. ह्या सगळ्या प्रकरणाची चवकशी जावची अशी मागणी तांणी मुख्य सचिवाक पत्र बरोवन केल्या.
I was trying to get information, we are not getting, but suddenly we have now come to know from reliable sources that there was 16 crores in a scheme which was known as the A.S.I.D.E, Assistance to States for Infrastructure Development of Exports. Now that fund, money that had come, could not be used for any other purpose. Could be only used for that purpose. Now when the scheme closed, there was 16 crores over there, and that was supposed to be returned to the federal government with 10% interest, wherever they kept it. But finally, now till last year, that interest was 21 crores. So putting together 13 crores plus 21 crores became 34 crores. Okay? Suddenly, he made an announcement that he has paid this A.S.I.D.E loan. And it has been realized that from that amount, 16 crores was transferred to the loan account in the Punjab National Bank of this fund. And 25 crores was encashed, and cars are being brought, which everything is going on. So we have written to the Chief Secretary, who is the chairman of the state level export promotion committee, to where this fund was. Question is, does the Chief Secretary has the Chief Secretary approved this fund to be diverted? Therefore, we have written to the Chief Secretary to inquire, ask for a question. If anybody has diverted it, which is not supposed to be diverted, he should immediately take action against those officials who have part of this illegal transfer. The BJP government at the center is harassing non-BJP governments, checking them for no other reasons, to see whether the funds are utilized in the proper manner or only for that, or it is diverted. We are giving this a challenge to the BJP government. Here there is a diversion, take action against them if you are really honest and transparent about avoiding malpractices in the government organization.